What makes Biscom's fax integration with Epic different? Our goal is to make faxing with Epic easier. We did this by listening to Epic users. Our enhanced integration addresses the issues our customers had with using other fax systems with Epic. In most fax systems, finding a fax is painful. Search is limited to one parameter, an expected send date. That leaves you manually scrolling through the thousands of faxes that could have been sent or received on the given day. Biscom's integration with Epic provides you with a wealth of metadata. From the Faxcom client, users can see all their sent and received faxes with detailed information passed from Epic. This includes patient name, provider ID, recipient name, Epic department name, medical record number, document type, job date and time, and Epic ID. The addition of this data helps you quickly find what you need. You and your users can search on any of the metadata values. For example, you can search on patient name. One of the major complaints we heard from customers was that finding and resending failed faxes was a painful process with other fax systems. Undelivered faxes in Epic can go unnoticed for hours, and even when they do, it can take 12 mouse clicks to resend them. With Biscom's Faxcom client or web client, you can spot them immediately and resend them in seconds with just 2 clicks. In the main window, you can see successful and failed faxes mingle. The search function can be used to isolate failed faxes. Just type failed in the search box. Then the metadata of the failed fax populates below. Click on the Advanced Search to set more parameters. Here, we're adding a date range to help us find the failed fax we're looking for. Now that you've found the failed fax, you can easily resend it. Just right-click and choose Resend. A new screen pops up. Here, you can edit the fax number if needed. Then hit OK. It's that simple to resend a failed fax. If I right-click on the fax, I can go into Detail and see the full audit trail under History. It shows every user who's touched the fax, the date and time they worked on it, or even just read it. You can see here, it was resent. In most Epic Fax environments, all the traffic comes out of one user account. If there's a problem with a fax, you have to dig into that one account and sort through all the traffic to find the issue. With Biscom's Epic integration, each department can have their own account. For example, you can separate radiology, cardiology, pediatrics, behavioral health, revenue cycle, medical records, and other departments of your health system. If a user from a specific department wants to see their faxes, they just log in. They see only the faxes to and from their department. For example, cardiology will see only cardiology faxes, but not faxes from behavioral health. On the right, they can see all their sent faxes, successful and failed, and resend them if needed. When they search, the search is within only their own department folder, so they'll be permitted to see faxes that only they should have access to per HIPAA regulations. By working closely with Epic, we were able to incorporate the important feedback from our customers to make the Faxcom for Epic integration the simplest way to fax from the EMR. Now you and the clinicians you support can spend time focused on improving patient care instead of troubleshooting faxing issues. Interested in learning more about the Faxcom for Epic integration? For more information, go to biscom.com/epic.